GAT General and GNET Mathematics portion. Question 31. Find z equals 7x, y, superscript 2 when x equals 4 and y equals 2. First substitute values, z is equal to 7 times 4 times 2, superscript 2. Now solve step by step. 2, superscript 2 equals 4. 7 times 4 times 4 is equal to 112. Answer is 112. Question 32. Subtract minus 4x plus 5y from 3x plus 2y. This means 3x plus 2y minus 4x plus 5y. Now remove brackets carefully, equals 3x plus 4x plus 2y minus 5y. Equals 7x minus 3y. Answer is 7x minus 3y. Question 33. What is the sum of 3x and 2y? Sum means add 3x plus 2y. Answer is 3x plus 2y. Question 34. Product of 4 and minus 3b. Product means multiply, 4 times, minus 3b, equals minus 12b. Answer is minus 12b. Question 35. Simplify, minus 3, 4's plus 3t, minus 4, 2's minus 3t. Distribute, minus 3 times 4's equals minus 12s. Minus 3 times 3t equals minus 9t. Minus 4 times 2's equals minus 8s. Minus 4 times, minus 3t, equals plus 12t. Now combine, minus 12s minus 8's equals minus 20s. Minus 9t plus 12t equals plus 3t. Final answer equals minus 20s plus 3t. Question 36. If x equals 2 and y equals 35, find c equals 4x minus 2y. Substitute, c is equal to 4 times 2 minus 2 by 35. Equals 8 minus 70 is equal to minus 62. Answer is minus 62. Question 37. How many sides of a square are equal? All sides of a square are equal. Answer is 4 sides. Question 38, sum of 3a and 5b. Again, sum means add 3a plus 5b. Answer is 3a plus 5b. Question 39, in 15y and 160ab, what are the coefficients? Coefficient means the number part. So, 15y 15. 160ab 160. Answer is 15, and 160. Question 40, simplify, xy superscript 2 divided by xy. Use exponent rules, x divided by x equals x superscript 3. Y superscript 2 divided by y equals y superscript 1. So final answer, x superscript 3y. Answer is x superscript 3y. Question 41, sum of product of 2a and 2b, and product of 12x and 2y. First product, 2a times 2b equals 4ab. Second product, 12x times 2y equals 24xy. Now sum, 4ab plus 24xy. Answer is 4ab plus 24xy. Question 42, solve, 2, 3m minus 4n plus 5, minus 3, 2m minus 3n plus 4. Distribute, 2 6m minus 8n plus 10. Minus 3 minus 6m plus 9n minus 12. Now combine, 6m minus 6m equals 0. Minus 8n plus 9n equals n, 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. Final answer equals n minus 2. Question 43, write expression 4, subtract 8 times b from 10 times c, 8 times b equals 8b. 10 times c equals 10c. Subtract from means 10c minus 8b. Answer is 10c minus 8b. Question 44, 60, 6 multiplied by 111 gives 666666. We need to find the missing digit. Instead of guessing, go straight to reverse thinking. If a number multiplied by 111 gives 666666, then that number must be 666,666 divided by 111. Now here's a useful pattern. multiplying any number by 111 repeats it in a structured way. For example, 123 by 111 gives 13653. So here we expect a clean repeating structure. Let's divide. 666,666 divided by 111 is equal to 6,006. So the number is 6,006. That means the missing digit in 66 is 0. Question 45. 1/3 of a number minus 1/4 of the same number equals 12. Find the number. Let the number be x. So we form the equation, 1/3 of x minus 1/4 of x equals 12. To solve this cleanly, take LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. Convert both fractions, 1/3 becomes 4x over 12. 1/4 becomes 3x over 12. Now subtract, 4x minus 3x over 12 equals 12. That simplifies to x over 12 equals 12. Multiply both sides by 12, x equals 144. Question 46. How many numbers up to 200 are divisible by both 2 and 3? If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it must be divisible by their LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So now the question becomes, how many multiples of 6 are there up to 200? Divide. 200 divided by 6 is equal to 33.33. We only count complete numbers, so ignore the decimal. That gives 33 numbers. Question 47. How many prime numbers are less than 70? A prime number is a number greater than 1 that has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. Now instead of randomly thinking, either you memorize primes up to 100 or build them logically. The primes less than 70 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67. If you count them carefully, there are 19 prime numbers. Question 48. Simplify. 1 minus bracket 1 minus bracket 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This looks messy, but the rule is simple. Solve from the innermost bracket outward. Start inside. 1 minus 1 equals negative 1. Now move one step out. 1 minus negative 1 becomes 2. Next, 1 minus 2 becomes negative 1. Finally, 1 minus negative 1 becomes 2. So the final answer is 2. Question 49. 20 plus 20 divided by 20. Always follow BODMAS. First solve the bracket. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Then divide. 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2. Question 50, 10 multiplied by 0.0875. This is a basic decimal shift. Whenever you multiply by 10, the decimal moves one place to the right. So 0.0875 becomes 0.875.